Hi crafters, welcome back to my channel DIY with Tulan. Today's video is going to be all about 15th August, Indian Independence Day. In this video, I am going to show you 5 useful craft ideas for Independence Day. You will definitely need at least one of them, so don't skip the video and keep watching till the end. Wristband. At first, take 4 2 cm radius circles of each color of our flag, that is white, orange and green. Then fold them all into halves like this. After folding, take one half circle and put glue both the sides of it. Then take another piece and stick them together like this. We have to stick all the pieces one by one but maintain the color contrast. 4 green, 2 white, 4 orange and then 2 white. Now stick the Ashoka Chakra with Fevicol in the middle. Let's make the band. For this we need 2 strips of paper and stick them exactly like this. And then start folding as shown in the video. Cut the extra piece. See, the band is ready. It is very easy to make and it is adjustable. Adjust according to your wrist and put glue in the middle of the band and stick the brooch we made on top. Now it's completely done. Indian flag. Take a strip of paper and start rolling it by the corner like this to make a stick and glue the end part. Now take 6 by 20 cm white and 2 by 10 cm orange and green each paper and stick them together with glue, something like this. Now fold it into half and cut the excess part. Now draw a Ashoka Chakra with blue colored pen in the middle of white portion. We have to make 24 spokes in the chakra, which represents 24 qualities of a person. Now we have to stick the stick in the folded part and glue the sides together. Our tricolor flag is ready. The brooch. For the brooch, we need 4 circles each of tricolor. Their radius are 3 cm. Now fold each circle like this and stick them something like this. We have to make total 12 pieces of them, 4 for each color. All done. Now take another 4 cm radius circle on which we are going to stick the cones. First place them all on the circle, then glue them one by one perfectly. Don't forget to add the Ashoka Chakra in the middle. Now take 3 strips of each color and stick them together like this on the back. You can stick another circle on the back for extra support. Now take a safety pin and stick it in the back with glue and a piece of paper. Now the brooch is completely ready. Tricolor cap. At first, take a rectangular strip according to your head size and 6 cartridge paper triangle and 2 orange and 2 green triangle. Now grab a measurement scale and mark every 8 cm gap on this strip. The paper used here should be a little thick. Here I paste the orange triangle upon the white triangle. Because my orange paper was very thin, so I did it to give it a little support. And I also did it with the green one. Now we have to stick all the triangles one by one on the strip, maintaining the tricolor. First orange, then white and lastly green. Now we have to follow this same pattern once more. Then roll the strip and stick it here with glue. The crown part of the cap is almost done. Now we are gonna stick all the 6 ends together, something like this. And lastly, we have to stick a circle on the top. Now take 10 by 10 cm white, 10 by 3 cm orange and 10 by 3 cm green colored paper and stick it on the white paper as we did before for the flag, and cut the excess part. This will be the shade part of our cap. Now take some rough measurements like this with a pencil. We have to cut little strands by here as shown in the video. And then put some glue on the folded part and stick this inside the crown part. See, you have to do it something like this. If you are watching the video till now, then please consider subscribing to my channel if you like it, because these videos take so much time and effort to make, and your one subscription means a lot to us. Lastly, I draw a Ashoka Chakra in the middle and our cap is ready. Thank you so much everyone for watching.